In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminder in Microsoft Copilot. We'll walk through the desktop app method so you can quickly create reminders and stay on top of your tasks without juggling extra tools. First, open the Microsoft Copilot app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Once the app is open and the chat window is ready, you can talk to Copilot just like you would in a normal conversation. In the message box, type a clear reminder using natural language. For example, you might say, "Remind me to submit my report at 3 p.m., set a reminder to call a colleague tomorrow at 9 a.m., or remind me every Monday to check emails." Keep it specific with the task and time so Copilot can understand exactly what you need. After you've typed your reminder, press Enter to send it. Copilot will interpret the request and return a summary with the details it recognized, usually the task, the date, and the time. Take a moment to review what it shows. If anything looks off, adjust your message right there in the chat so the timing and description are correct. When it looks good, click Confirm or Approve the reminder. That tells Copilot to lock it in. Once your reminder is set, Copilot handles delivery. At the scheduled time, you'll receive a notification on your computer through the standard Windows or macOS notification system. If you also use the Copilot mobile app and your account is connected, the reminder can be pushed to your phone as well, which is handy if you're away from your desk. There's also a manual route if you prefer navigating menus. In the Copilot desktop app, go to your profile settings by clicking your profile icon in the lower left corner, then select Reminders. This is a central spot tied to your account where you can access the reminders feature without typing a chat message. A few important notes before you rely on this day to day. The reminders feature is rolling out gradually, so you might not see it in every desktop app just yet. If reminders aren't appearing at the right time, make sure notifications are enabled in your system settings so Copilot can alert you. And keep in mind that some reminder capabilities require that you're signed in with your Microsoft account in Copilot. That's it. Open Copilot, ask in plain language, send, confirm, and let the notifications do the rest. Follow these steps and you'll have a simple, reliable way to set reminders right from your desktop.